Reliability, safety, performance are today's expectations from high-technology industries to their suppliers. Innovation, expertise, skill are the Euclide Industrie Group answers to becoming your privileged partner for precision mechanical work. Specializing in prototype manufacture and in small or medium production runs, we are first-ranked supplier of many equipment makers OEM in such diverse fields as aerospace, defense, plant and machinery, surgical implants and instruments, energy, tooling. Euclide Industrie Group runs 5 production sites in France, has 230 employees, 25 million euros turnover, and 13,000 square meters of factory space. Production resources are pooled to provide greater responsiveness when manufacturing assemblies involving complementary mechanical trades. Euclide Industrie Group calling is to provide our customers seamless, complete function. Our output extends from parts weighing a few grams to whole assemblies weighing several tons. Our DO, staffed by experts in technical solutions, goes through the specifications with the customer's engineers. Chosen solution goes forward to production engineering for industrial optimization. Our investment power is able to adapt our tools to market demands. Our customers' requirements in aerospace, defense, plant and machinery, and energy fields call for large capacity production resources. Our huge horizontal and vertical lathes and bores swing into action to make extraordinary parts with diameters up to 2.8 meters, 8.5 feet. Our fully skilled craftsmen complement the capacity of our high-speed milling center in machining complex parts, whose dimensions can reach 8 meters, 24 feet. All kinds of materials can be worked: titanium, Inconel, carbon steel and stainless steels, aluminum. We can make one-off highly technical parts or undertake long production runs on our palletized machining centers. We also offer precision grinding operations. At each manufacturing step, our production undergoes regular inspection on a 3-dimensional rig tailored to suit our output. Non-destructive testing adds the final touch to our quality control. Our highly qualified fitters perform full assembly operations. To meet the requirements of the orthopedic surgery market, we maintain a pool of very high-performance machines. Our large array of EDM machines, along with our high-precision 5-axis milling or turning centers, provide machined parts to the finishing department for manual deburring, sandblasting, laser marking, cleaning and passivation, and other such operations. We use company-specific physical and optical inspection facilities to verify our orthopedic surgery production. We can provide fully assembled products ready for sale. We make complex tools, cutting and stamping dies, rubber and silicone molds. In addition, we also offer sheet metal work and welded assemblies. We design, weld up the frames, machine them. We carry out surface treatment, assemble them, and we install them on site. We can therefore make end-to-end assemblies, complete with hydraulics and automation, weighing up to 20 tons. Together, these showcase the full range of know-how from the entities making up Euclide Industrie. Internationally acknowledged quality assurance certification confirms our industrial thoroughness. Our group's objectives extend beyond the ongoing improvement of technical and financial performance. We aim to become the go-to partner of industries in a never-ending search for excellence, without ever compromising our reputation as a friendly-sized company.